The Samsung Galaxy S25 series is expanding, and two upcoming variants are creating quite a stir: the Galaxy S25 Edge and the Galaxy S25 FE. While they both belong to the S25 lineup, they cater to completely different audiences. One is a premium ultra-slim handset with a cutting-edge aesthetic. The other is a cost-effective alternative that offers reliable performance without the frills. So, which one is the smarter buy for you? Let's dive in and evaluate the Galaxy S25 Edge versus the Galaxy S25 FE based on the details available so far. Let's begin with the essentials. The Galaxy S25 Edge has already hit the market and is offered in two storage variants, 256GB and 512GB. It starts at $1,099, positioning it as a flagship-tier smartphone. Meanwhile, the Galaxy S25 FE has yet to launch, but it's projected to debut this autumn. Going by Samsung's pricing trends, it may retail for around $649. That's a massive gap, nearly $450 cheaper than the Edge. Now, speaking of design, the Edge grabs attention instantly. It's only 5.8 millimeters thick and weighs just 5.75 ounces. That's incredibly slim and lightweight for a mobile device. Samsung utilizes a titanium frame for the Edge, providing durability without extra weight. The FE, drawing from earlier models, is expected to be slightly bulkier and heavier and will probably use aluminum and glass instead of titanium, a compromise to reduce production costs. Both smartphones are tipped to feature 6.7-inch AMOLED panels with 120 Hz refresh rates. So, in terms of size and fluid motion, they'll feel quite similar, though the Edge will likely boast a higher resolution for crisper visuals. Moving to the camera department, this is where it gets intriguing. The Galaxy S25 Edge houses a 200MP primary sensor and a 12MP ultra-wide lens. However, it omits a dedicated telephoto shooter. Instead, it relies on digital zoom through the main sensor. That works for casual snaps, but won't deliver the clarity of optical zoom. The Galaxy S25 FE, on the other hand, retains a dedicated telephoto lens, a 50MP main shooter, a 12MP ultra-wide, and an 8MP telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. That's a notable win for photography enthusiasts who want zoom capabilities without quality loss. Both handsets are expected to come with 12MP front-facing cameras, so selfie performance should be top-notch on either. In terms of raw power, the Edge takes the lead easily. It runs on the high-performance Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, the same processor used in Samsung's ultra-premium Galaxy S25 Ultra. This means flawless multitasking, gaming, and processing heavy tasks with ease. The Galaxy S25 FE, however, might lag behind. Rumors suggest it could be powered by the Exynos 2400 chip, the same silicon seen in last year's Galaxy S24 FE. That chipset doesn't quite match the capabilities of the Snapdragon 8 Elite. Some leaks even hint at the potential use of a MediaTek Dimensity chip instead. Either way, the FE is unlikely to match the Edge in speed or gaming prowess. So, what about endurance? Surprisingly, the more budget-friendly S25 FE might come out on top. The Galaxy S25 Edge features a smaller 3,900 mAh battery, constrained by its thin build. It managed about 12 hours and 24 minutes in web browsing tests. Respectable, but not outstanding. The Galaxy S25 FE is anticipated to pack a 4,700 mAh battery, which could potentially offer longer usage if paired with a more power-efficient chipset. That said, last year's FE didn't impress in battery benchmarks, so everything depends on which chip Samsung opts for this time. On the charging front, both handsets are expected to support 25W wired charging and wireless charging. So, they're evenly matched in that regard. Regarding software, both devices should run One UI 8 based on Android 16. That means access to Samsung's newest features and interface upgrades. They'll also share Galaxy AI tools like real-time translation, intelligent photo editing, and more. So, even the more affordable FE won't be missing out on Samsung's smartest innovations. Samsung is also promising 7 years of software and security updates for both models, Great news for those who plan to hold onto their phones long term. So, whether you go for the Edge or the FE, you're set for years ahead. Now, let's wrap it up. The Galaxy S25 Edge is ideal for users seeking a sleek, high-performance phone with cutting-edge features. It's stylish, featherlight, and lightning fast, but it comes at a premium and skips on extras like a telephoto lens and a larger battery. The Galaxy S25 FE, however, looks to be an excellent value option. It delivers capable cameras, AI-driven features, a bigger battery, and the same